here, opening weekend of the LA County Fair. It's the 100th anniversary. They're going back to their roots is the theme this year. It has been gone for 2 years, finally back, and they changed it. Now it is in May, not in the late summer, early fall. Weather is beautiful, and it is not crowded at all. So I've got my map. There are a few things that I definitely want to see. One is the lowrider exhibit, History of the Lowriders, and there's an entire haunt hall with a walk-through haunted attraction. And there's a giant chicken sandwich battered in Kool-Aid with a giant pickle on top. So those are the 3 goals today, and maybe a ride or 2. So let's head on into the fair. So I have heard the food is very expensive, but they do have a $7.70 value menu. You can find stuff that you can actually afford to eat here. So that gives you an idea of the ticket prices. It's 4 tickets for $5, 16 for $20, 40 for $50. You see a star flyer. There's a haunted house over there, and a giant Ferris wheel. And there is literally no one here. It would make sense out of all the stuff here to do at the fair, I go straight to the wilderness area to go hiking up a hill. But I did buy my ride tickets. But we're on a mission to find Miss Doolittle Maria, because she is here today. Let's see if we can find her. Make sure to check out this hall behind me. There are some awesome floral and fruit displays, all related to the fair. And there's an awesome 100th anniversary backdrop that you must take a photo of. So head in there. It's this building here. She was on a delay. So this is Maria. Everybody knows her as Miss Doolittle.
Friends.
What are we going to do right now?
We're gonna go try this god-awful sounding chicken sandwich covered in Kool-Aid.
It's a chicken sandwich battered in Kool-Aid.
I don't know.
Sounds delicious. With a giant pickle on top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. We are at Chicken Charlie's. We ordered what? Bacon wrapped pickles?
Yeah.
A Kool-Aid chicken sandwich. And we got our souvenir cups. How much are these?
6 something and then $3.
Oh, okay.
For
I thought you said they were 14 each. There's 6 something?
Yeah, I think it's
okay. So you get refills throughout the entire fair?
Yeah, the entire fair.
For $3. Yeah. There you go.
Good value.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you. So this is the Kool-Aid fried chicken sandwich. So what it looks like, it's maybe tenders or a chicken breast. We haven't dug into it yet. Covered in a Kool-Aid sauce, and you can see it down at the bottom with maybe some mayo or ranch, pickles, and then a giant pickle on top. And that is from Chicken Charlie's. Okay.
Oh God.
Let's try it. All right. Tell us what you think.
I'm really nervous. Oh my God.
Is it good?
Oh my, it's good. It's got the Kool-Aid hits you after. It's like you taste the chicken first. And then the Kool-Aid hits after, but it's like a sweet, not tangy, but sweet sauce. It's good.
We're inside Hall 9 for the Haunt Super Show. Think of kind of like a Midsummer Scream, but at the fair. Inside this hall, they have a walkthrough museum of monsters. Whoa! Awesome photo ops, and there's some stuff across the way too, but it didn't look like anybody was there, so let's go check that out after this. Some cool movie posters, props. So Freddie, you really need to try the Kool-Aid chicken sandwich. How much I've eaten so far is none of your business. Get it? None. This is my first time to the LA County Fair. This place is massive. I thought Orange and Ventura County Fairs were big. I can't even begin to describe how huge this place is. Worked in radio for about 15 years. One of our radio stations was Power 92.3, KKFR, number one for hip hop and R&B, Phoenix, Arizona. I used to love lowrider car shows. We used to go all the time. Mesa Amphitheater, Arizona State Fairgrounds. We used to come down when I lived up in Prescott before working in radio. We used to always come down and go to the car shows at the fairgrounds. I remember Mesa Amphitheater all the time, West Side over at Desert Sky Pavilion, all over the place. So I was really excited to see the history of the low and slow here. A bunch of cars, bikes, all sorts of things at the LA County Fair. In addition to the low and slow section, the Nhra Motorsports Museum is open, but it is an extra charge of $5 if you wanted to go in and check that out. If you're looking for a nice quiet place to get something to eat or drink in between the expo halls, it's very quiet over here, and there's a variety of food, beer, drinks, desserts. I have a massive fear of heights, not necessarily on roller coasters, but on rides like this, especially since you're just hovering over the ground by a string. The Bayside Sky Ride at SeaWorld freaks me out like you would not believe. Okay, so we just went over the thing and I didn't even feel it. Okay, so that's okay. I'm passing over the Kool-Aid chicken stand. Very cool. And then there's the booth where we had that delicious Kool-Aid chicken sandwich. This is an awesome view from up here. Look at this. See the entire fair. So much to see and do here. Don't forget to mark where you parked. I actually took a picture of my parking space. I'm in the yellow gate. I'm right over there. Actually, I can see exactly where I parked. So I wasn't sure about this, but it doesn't look as scary as I thought it was. But I think we need one of these at Knott's. Comment down below if you want to see one of these endeavors. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Now it's now it's going. It's almost like a Ferris wheel. Maybe not. Comment below. Would you ride that? FYI, if you want to ride the big Ferris wheel, no single riders. The scariest thing about that haunted mansion is that it was 5 tickets. It's like $4, $5, yeah. But they let me ride it by myself. So there's no single riders on this Ferris wheel either. Now I wish I had known that before I purchased the tickets. You know those Facebook videos that you see where the rides are sped up and the things go flying off? That's real. There's no touch up in this video. That's really how fast that thing is going. No, absolutely not. The slide was scary enough for me today. Garden Railroad. It's created in 1924. Moved to this location in 1935. Very cool. I have a fear of goats. And that one back there did a 360 with his head like Exorcist. Riding the sky right above, I saw something that I've not seen probably in 15, 20 years. Thump Records. We used to go to Circles Records and pick up all this stuff. Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my gosh, Thump Records. That's a wrap from opening weekend here at the LA County Fair. It was so much fun. My first time here, 100th anniversary, celebrating 100 years of the fair. Back to our roots. If you want to come and just ride rides, you can do that for hours. If you just want to look at the farm animals and the horticulture, you can do that for hours. If you just want to see the music, you can do that. If you just want to see the permanent exhibits, some of the cars, you could do that. There is so much to see and do here between the animals and the rides and the food and the vendors and all the halls that even if you aren't interested in something, there's plenty to do for hours and hours and hours. So highly recommend coming to the LA County Fair at select days through May 30th. So make sure to check out the website. I'll put a link down in the description. Hopefully we'll be back before the end of the run. I got my souvenir refill cup, got some goodies. Now we're heading home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, high up here above the LA County Fair. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time we post a new video. And make sure you follow us on social media at the Funnel Cake Blog on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Thanks a lot for watching.